What are the penalties for driving without insurance? Have you ever thought about what happens if you get caught driving without insurance? It is a serious issue, especially for teenagers who are just starting to drive. Understanding the penalties can help you make better choices on the road. First off, driving without insurance means you are operating a vehicle without a valid car insurance policy, which is required by law in every state. Car insurance is there to protect you and others financially if you cause an accident. It helps cover damages to other people's property, medical bills, and sometimes even your own injuries or car damage. Without insurance, you are personally responsible for all these costs, which can add up quickly. Now, let's talk about the common penalties you might face if you are caught driving without insurance. One of the first things you will likely encounter is a fine. For a first offense, fines can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s, depending on where you live. Another penalty is the suspension of your driver's license. This can last anywhere from a few months to a year or even longer. If your license is suspended, you cannot legally drive during that time, which can be a big problem for teens who need to get to school or work. Additionally, your vehicle registration can also be suspended. This means it is illegal to drive or even park your car on public roads. You may also need to file a Senior 22 form to get your license back. This form proves that you have insurance, and it often leads to higher insurance premiums in the future. In some cases, especially if you have been caught driving without insurance multiple times, you could face jail time. This can be up to a year or more, depending on the severity of the situation and the laws in your state. Moreover, authorities may impound your vehicle if you are caught driving without insurance. This means your car will be taken away, and you will have to pay fees to get it back. For teenagers, these penalties can be particularly tough. If you are stopped by the police and cannot show proof of insurance, you may receive an immediate fine. The total cost of fines, reinstatement fees, and increased insurance rates can add up to thousands of dollars, often more than the cost of maintaining insurance in the first place. So, what can you do to avoid these penalties? Always carry proof of insurance when driving. Shop around for affordable insurance policies that are designed for young drivers. Remember, skipping insurance to save money is risky and can lead to much higher costs and legal trouble down the line. If you do get a ticket for driving without insurance, act quickly to provide proof of coverage or comply with state requirements to avoid harsher penalties. Insurance not only keeps you legal but also helps you avoid financial disaster if you cause an accident. Being aware of the penalties for driving without insurance can help you make smarter choices behind the wheel. Stay safe, stay legal, and keep yourself protected while enjoying the freedom of driving.